Hi friends, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I got this look that I have going on with my crazy hair. So this is my really lazy girl hair look. I am not good, I'll be honest, I'm not good with doing hair stuff, like at all. I cannot curl my hair properly with a wand or with a straightener or with a curling iron. I have tried and failed miserably. It was not cute. I can straighten my hair, I can put my hair up, and I can do this. So for those of you who are challenged when it comes to doing your hair like moi, this video is for you. Oh, also if you like this look, because if you don't like this look, then this video is clearly not for you. But if you like this look, these beachy waves, like that's the whole vibe of the look. You're supposed to look like you've been at the beach all day, you know, that salt water getting in your hair and giving you these like gentle waves. This is the look we're going for today. So if you want to see that and how I got this look, and all that demo and learn a little bit about the hairspray that I'm using and the fact that I don't use any heat to get this look, keep watching. So before I talk to you guys about the product, I'm just gonna say not sponsored. This is not sponsored. This is just what I'm using and I thought I would share it with you guys. I don't know what took me so long, but finally I thought, let me tell the people how I do this, because nobody asked for it, but I'm gonna tell you anyway, so here we go. So the brand of the hairspray that I'm using is called Cake, and the actual spray is called the Wave Maker. So what they put in this is aloe and sugar. So it's a sugar infused formula and it's the sugar that helps with the waves. And at first when you're putting this in your hair, your hands will be sticky because you're using like a hairspray like product that is sugar infused. So your hands will feel sticky. But once it dries, it actually does not feel sticky at all. So once your hair is completely dry, it does not feel sticky. It literally feels like you were in the ocean and your hair dried and you have that exact same feeling. So the things that I love about this product are, one, you don't need any heat. You can apply, you don't need to use a straightener, you don't need to use a curling iron, you don't need to use a blow dryer, nothing. So you can apply this, the way they say to apply this on the website is they say you can use it on dry hair, and you totally can. I just like using it on damp hair, and I'll explain that later, but my favorite method is the damp hair method. So you don't need anything else except this spray. You can directly spray it in your hair and start scrunching. Second thing I like about this is it doesn't feel sticky once it dries, and as the day goes on, if I want to freshen up the curls, I can just dampen my hands and run them through my hair, scrunch my hair, and voila, fresh looking hair like I just did it and stepped out of the house. So that was number two. Number three, I love that I can brush this out of my hair. I usually brush this out, like I brush my hair out before I wash it, just because I want my hair to get out any tangles that I may have, and it actually brushes out really easily. So I love that about it. Easy to brush out, doesn't really tangle your hair too much. So that's another reason I love this. Next reason I love this is the fact that it smells delicious. It smells like cake or vanilla, so whatever you associate that with. For me, it's like a vanilla cake. So I combine the two, there we go. Smells like vanilla cake. Love that about this. People are always asking me like, what is that perfume you're wearing? It's not perfume, it's my hairspray. It smells delicious. Go ahead, eat my hair, don't. And lastly, I love this because you don't have to apply this on freshly washed hair. I do sometimes. I'll wash my hair, I'll let it air dry till it's just a little damp, and then I'll start spraying and scrunching, or I can apply this to day 2 or day 3 hair. So I love that I don't have to just freshly wash my hair. This is like a great little hack to do when, you know, your hair is not looking as great, but you don't really feel like washing it yet. You can just get this look going, and here we are. Like right now, this is day 3 hair. So I have applied this on day 3 hair, and this is what we have going on. This is the look. So those are the reasons I really love this product. So a little bit about this product. This is cruelty-free and vegan, so that's really lovely. And it's sugar infused, like I mentioned earlier, which means it won't dry out your hair. There are products similar to this that use sea salt, and those can be a bit drying on your hair, but because it's a sugar infused, they claim it doesn't dry your hair, and I have to say I do agree with that. My hair does not feel dry. Like, yes, it feels dry because you have product in your hair, but it doesn't feel like that weird dryness that I sometimes get with other products. So just a little bit about the product. Also, this retails, I got it for $12 at Shoppers Drug Mart, which is like a drugstore here in Canada, but they have it like all over, so you can get it on Amazon. I think on Amazon it was $10, so it is quite affordable. It's not crazy expensive. I'll link down a few links of where you can find this, just in case you wanted to try this little baby out. And now on to the demo. So I like to start with damp hair. I like to either do this after I wash my hair and I let it air dry to the point where it's just a little bit wet still, just slightly damp but not wet. And I like to apply this to my damp hair. Now I have tried putting this spray in my hair when it was dry. I just found that I was wasting too much product, like using too much of this product. So I found that if I apply it to my damp hair, I'm not applying as much product and I still get that desired result, which is the nice little waves. So let's start spraying. So I like to give it a nice little shake and then I just start spraying. I just generously start spraying it over my hair. And I like to put my hand in front of the front pieces of my hair so it doesn't get on my face. And then once I apply the first layer of spray, I just like to go with my hands through and start scrunching my hair in my hand. So I just kind of take my hair and scrunch it. And I know I look really crazy, but I promise it'll start looking better. So then I basically just start separating my hair and flipping it around and just applying this lovely, delicious smelling spray everywhere. And I keep scrunching and scrunching.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it would be so sweet. But when it's you and me, nobody can bring us down, bring us down.
So this is what my hair looks like once it is fully dry. I love this look. I just think it's so much fun. You can see that it added, like, my hair has a bit more volume from before. Not too much, but it does have a bit more volume. And you know, if I wanted to freshen this up, like I said, just dampen my hands and run my hands through my hair and just kind of scrunch the hair again to freshen it up. I like this look so much because it's so easy. I don't have to really, there's no wait time once you're done. You don't have to blow dry, you don't have to do anything. You could if you want to, just to kind of dry it up a little quicker, but I don't. I just let it air dry. So once I get this look on, I'm out the door. I don't have to wait for anything. So I love that about it. There's no wait time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried this look, what you thought of it. I totally get that this might not be a look that is for everyone or that everyone might want to try out for themselves or they might like, but this is just a way that I like to style my hair sometimes, and I think it's really fun and really easy, so I thought I would share it with you guys and show you how I get this crazy little wave look that I find really fun and easy to do. So I hope you guys liked it. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any other videos you'd like me to do or any other products you'd like me to review. I'd love to hear from you, and hit that subscribe button to see what videos I come up with next, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.